What's up, mga ka-lovable? I have here a beauty, ano nga ito? Album.
Palette.
Ha?
Palette.
Ano to?
Makeup palette.
Makeup palette. Palette. So, we have here, we make ourselves beautiful today. Beautiful in my eyes. So, we will check here one by one. Wow! Sana all. Where did you order this?
TikTok.
TikTok. Oh. Can you order this to me? Yeah, this is ano ba? For the beauty.
Ano lang skillet ba?
Ayan. So, what is called this? Blusher. How about blusher? Oh, wala na naman.
Wala na na iya. Kaya nadunot na saya.
This one is contour nabasa sang ulan. The rain is broke this, no?
Tapos na
Together with this, what is this, Liang?
mascara.
Mascara Festival. Okay. So this is the mascara. Maybe we can put here because I don't know how to use this one. And this one is what is this?
Lip tint.
Lip tint. No, lip tint. So, first of all, I would like to use this.
Don't use that.
Come on. Where did I this?
Siyempre, should put first the powder.
Where is the powder?
Here, bro.
Okay, this is the powder daw. This is first. We can put the powder in our face.
Wag naman ganun. Hindi, puti naman.
Okay. Wait.
Diba?
Okay. Now it's changed. Okay. We will see how beautiful this is.
Hindi, pagkapila ka. Matamaan, sakot.
Ba, parang ilibing na ako.
I-blend na. Gamit ang pihak na ano.
Okay.
Gamit ang pihak ka pang blend.
Ah,
Ano? Hindi naman sasabi.
okay. Like this?
Yes. Gamit ko nose contour.
What is the next?
Blush.
Blushing. So, I'm done this one. I'm done that.
Done that.
Then this one is, which color I want is color red, like this. Okay, we will try here. This one. And we can put here.
Hindi na blusher.
Ano ni?
Sa pihak. Yung basa mo na gito sa pihak.
Ay, hindi pala blusher. This one. Oh.
Eyeshadow. Tugin dyan.
Eyeshadow pala. Sorry. Remove. Okay. This one is maybe bitter, this one.
Alok. Gakas ka.
Wait lang guys, nasira ko yung ano.
Pagpag. Alok ka, pagpag.
Pagpag.
Nana mo na sa dapat yung shade. Nana mo na sa. Natawabing difference sa pihak ang pihak.
Dali lang. So guys, we are innocent to use this because I'm not doing this. So this is the time that we need to shine, shine. And then after that, we are going to use which one?
Eyeshadow.
Oh, eyeshadow. This one.
Sorry, yo.
Para
Amo na na sa eyeshadow. Dari yo. Sama na diya.
ay sa mata. Oh, still this one I
Glitter na. Aring eyeshadow na eh.
glitter. Eyeshadow.
Alak ka. Alak ka. Sasa yarn.
Parang wala naman. Parang no more. No? You can see the person that no putting coloring food in their face, no?
Look.
Oh, wait lang. Why you are laughing, Alea? See, I'm looks beautiful,
He will be the next Mrs. Crab.
Okay. So, okay, now I
Put some
am
like this using your hands.
using my
This
hands,
one.
pinky, and then where did I put? Okay, here daw. Okay. Kadlas eh. Yeah. Tingala ko man linga nagkadto di si ano,
See?
si Prince siling na sa akong shh, wag ka daw maingay. Sabi ko, natutugali ang cake. Okay. Okay. See, look the difference,
Wala
no?
ko nadalang lipstick mo.
How much more every day I do this, you are going to fall in love with me, you know. So, what is the next? Okay. Wait lang, parang it's not enough for me to this blushing, you know.
It's not enough for me, but it's super enough.
Is this super enough? This is super enough. This is not enough for me. It's not enough for me to love you
Put some
more.
glitter on your face.
Put some glitter. Where is the glitter here? Ah, okay. This one.
Gusto ko ba?
Okay, this one. Is this for face? Is okay? Okay. So we will put here and make it shine a little. Like ano. Where is here the one that make your nose very small?
Wala. Naku na.
You don't?
Nadula na na.
This one? Wow, chocolate. Ew. This one?
Yeah.
Make your nose.
Ayaw. Hindi. Amo na Amo na tayo na.
Ah, okay. I am innocent to
Ano?
ano. Aba.
Sala na yan.
Stall.
Paamo na dayaw.
Pamuna. Pamuna na gali guys, oh.
Paamo na
Ah, okay.
Paanong ilong mo ga? Paamo na
Hala.
Ano niya ni Aridionan.
Ah, okay.
Dapat hindi manong sa tunga, mamaigo.
Ah, okay. Yung dito, guys.
Okay, padalang. Mas madako. The next Mrs.
Okay, so my nose is taller now.
One. Hindi, pagbuto nga, pag nakakasin mo kami milok, tapat ka.
Okay. Guys, hello. This one use.
Sige. Pagbuto nga. Wala na. Hindi, pagbuto nga. Wala na to.
Did I look beautiful? No, of course. Aray, ano na yung man?
Ang timuyog yung pang-obra mo sa tsura mo.
Wait lang. It makes my nose flat. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So, how do I look? Monster, right? So, what else? Next is this one. This is the things that I really, agay, nag-shoot sa akon mata. Agoy, why I need to have this one?
To make your eyelashes long.
Guys, so ugly.
Ay! Ito man ang imo eyeshadow. Oh, see? Your eyeshadow. Dekat, di ba?
Kuha na ya. Okay, guys, how do I look right now? Okay. Which one I next? This one? This one is good. You don't have lipstick, Aliyah?
Yun no. I think nabilin sa babaw. Wala daw. Wala daw. Bagets. Bad guy. Is it bad? Punta nga na eh. Ano saan mo na?
Hala, pati unta ka.
Saan mo na? Punta nga na yun, ano?
Guys, United Eggs getting red. What is this?
Ari ah.
Is it blood? This one. I can have
Hindi! Ilong mo. Ilong. Katunga ka
Wait
ilong.
lang. Lagyan daw to sa...
Ang dapihes bilang ham.
You can see if it's fit, guys, because yeah, you can put this in your teeth. Yeah, that's correct. See, I told you already, I am beautiful than you. Alright. You just cannot discover how beautiful I am. Okay, so alright, we will add more. The blush on is still on. Blush. We can put a little red, a little pink. See? You can see this. See? Okay. Ay, parang hindi ka mag-green. You are beautiful, no matter what I say. Okay. So sometimes this one is good. Right. Wow, very red. So now let's go back here. Okay. We will go back here. Why? Okay. See you guys. How to create? Sequence, mag-awin naman sequence. So, okay. Wow, so much against the light. Wow, wait lang. Hindi maganda. Okay. So, we will go right down here and we can find our beautiful here. Shh! Anong kasing get mo? Wait lang, bakit? Yan. Ano naman, no? Ayan. Luto. Diba? Sorry lang if I have a big nose. That is normal to be a human, to have a big nose.